Hi, it's Kozue. Born Pretty kindly sent me some of their latest gel products. Today I'll be testing them and sharing how they look and feel. Cynthia from Born Pretty's PR team usually asks me what shades I like before sending products, but this time I completely forgot to reply to her message. So, I received 3 shades I wouldn't normally pick for myself. By the way, here's how these 3 shades appear on Born Pretty's official website. They're not my usual go-to colors, but I can't wait to experiment and see what kind of designs they inspire. I'm going with nail stamping and stickers and so on. Let's get started. Freedom Land M53. This is a magnetic gel. On their website, it looked kind of yellow to me, but in person, it's closer to khaki, maybe even a touch of olive. It's a calm, muted shade, perfect for autumn nails. I'm gonna cure the first layer without activating the magnetic effect. I'm applying the second layer. Before curing, I'll bring a magnet close to activate the effect. As soon as the magnet comes close, the particles shift instantly. By the way, I'm using a magnet from the nail section at CanDo, a 100 yen store. I didn't mean to push the particles down, but I did by mistake. Fortunately, the magnet can still lift them back up. After applying the top coat, here's how it looks on the nail. Looking at the shade, I started imagining how well gold chrome powder would complement it. So I've decided to give it a try. I cured the first layer without using a magnet, and now I'm applying the second one. I'm trying to shift the particles slightly to the right for a subtle accent. I'm gonna apply a matte coat. Don't you get disappointed when you realize there are missed spots after curing the matte coat? I do. Pretty often, actually. I wipe the surface with ethanol beforehand, so the excess chrome powder will come off easily later. Once the ethanol dries, I lightly rub the surface with a makeup sponge. Using a non-wipe top coat, I draw lines freely, just the way I like. I'm using Daiso's brush. A matte finish works beautifully with magnetic gel too. I actually prefer the line to be slightly uneven, not perfectly straight, as it adds more character to the design. Now I'm gonna rub chrome powder on it. Once I'm done rubbing it on, I use the clean side of the eyeshadow applicator to brush off any excess chrome powder. It comes pretty easily. If there's still chrome powder left, I use washi tape to clean it. When I tilt it, I can see an elegant glow. Finally, I apply the top coat, cure it, and it's done. Oh, it's beautiful. I love it. It's the kind of design that really shines in autumn and winter. Next up, Freedom Land MY54. This shade is like a metallic yellow-green. I cure the first layer without using a magnet. After applying the second layer, I use a magnet before curing it. I usually pick pinks, but green is cute too. These magnetic gel particles react really fast too. Even if the particles sink like this, you can lift them again with the magnet. Top coats on. Yeah, this job makes me want to add a nail stamp. I cured the first layer with a magnet, and now I'm applying the second one. I'm trying to make the particles softly float across the entire nail. This is a Manology plate I featured in a previous video. I'm stamping with this favorite dotted design. I'm gonna use stamping polish from Walmart in Hawaii. It's a little blurry but super cute. Oh, it brings a warm, nostalgic feel, like vintage wallpaper or an old-school candy wrapper. It might be cute to do French nails and add patterns just on the tips. This time, I'm trying the same stamping plate, but with a purple-toned polish for a different vibe. It's barely tinted. Is it okay to stamp? Oh, okay. Those dots are subtle, but definitely there. You catch yourself grinning every time you tilt your hand. I'm gonna use a bow nail sticker from Temu. I stick the non-adhesive side of the nail sticker onto the stamper, then stamp it onto the nail. This way, you can check the sticker's balance as you place it on the nail. It's super handy for placing stickers accurately on your dominant hand too. I'm using a silicone pen from Daiso. I noticed some uneven spots, so I applied clear gel twice. Done. Lime green pairs beautifully with white. Freedom Land M57. All three gels I tried today have a calm, chic vibe. After applying the second layer, I use a magnet. This purple will be perfect for Halloween nails. Yes, it's so beautiful. I'm using this gel to create a playful design with a hint of Halloween spirit. I picked up this plate about 3 months ago at Walmart in Hawaii. It's full of unique designs, so I haven't found the right moment to use it until now. Wow, it's so cute! It's just too cute. It might be a love it or hate it kind of design, but I absolutely love it. This one too. It's a design that makes you grin as you tilt your fingers and admire it from every angle. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!